All right, so now here is a word problem that goes with this. Now, I do not have your paper here at home with me, so I just made up a problem that we can do an example with, and then hopefully you'll be able to do the 3 that I left you. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is write your problem out. So suppose you intend to spend no more than $60. Okay, so this is a key thing here. No more than $60 buying books. Hardcover books cost $12. Paperback cost $5. How many books of each type can you buy? Okay, so I'm going to let X be my number of hardcover. And I'm going to let Y be my number of paperback. Okay, so when I write that equation, I know that my hardcover books are $12 each. Okay, so I'm going to say that's 12X plus my paperback is $5 each, so 5Y. Now, no more than $60. So no more than $60 means it has to be less than 60. Okay, no more than 60, less than or equal to 60. And so it can equal 60, but then it cannot be beyond that. Okay, so that is my equation. All right, so just like in the others, you want to put it in slope-intercept form first. Okay, so I'm going to subtract 12X. And that'll give me 5Y less than or equal to negative 12X plus 60. Divide everything by 5. Now, this 5 is not negative, so I do not have to flip my sign here. This does not simplify, so negative 12 over 5X just stays that. And then 60 divided by 5 is 12. Okay, so now I want to put this on my graph. So I'm going to rewrite it up here so we can see it. Okay. All right, so my y-intercept is 12, so I've got to extend my graph. We'll say this is 11, we'll say this is 12. So I'm going to start here at 12, and then I have to go down 12 and to the right 5 since it's negative. So if I'm at 12 and I got to go down 12, I'm going to be all the way at 0. And then I go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 2 dots. Now we're only in the first quadrant because we're talking about the number of books. Like this x-axis down here will be your number of hardcover. And then your y-axis is your number of paperback. Okay. All right. Now, our sign is, I didn't even write the sign right. Here you go. Our sign is a less than or equal to, meaning it will have a solid line. So here's my solid line. I'm stopping here. I'm not continuing it beyond. And now I have to figure out where I need to shade it. Okay. So let's just pick, we can do 0, 0 again like we normally have been, but then that just means I haven't bought anything. And I don't really want that part, okay? So let's test the point 1 or 2. Let's see, I'm trying to find one that would be easy to test. 4, nope, 2, nope, 1. Let's just do 1. Let's do this 0.11. Okay. So this would mean if I bought one hardcover and one paperback, is that going to be less than 60? Okay. So that's kind of easy to think about it this way. So I'm actually going to plug it back into my original one this time. So 12x plus 5y is less than or equal to 60. So 12 times 1 plus 5 times 1, is that less than or equal to 60? Well, that's just 12 plus 5, which is 17. Okay, that is definitely true. And so hopefully you realize, like, if I just buy one hardcover and one paperback, I am definitely under $60. Okay. And so all this means is that any value in this little area right here, okay, all of this, any combination of these will work. So meaning I could buy 3 hardcover and 3 paperback and I would still be under $60. I could buy 1 hardcover and 9 paperback. I would still be under $60. Okay. So go through your problems and see what you can do.